Hello everyone, it's Hanny again with day number 18 of my December daily. I gathered some stuff again. Here's the little red card I was searching for yesterday. I would use that on here, but now I'm going to use it on day 18. I have a little white doily and I want to use it like so for the card. I have a piece of lace. I want to glue that on. I have wooden numbers 18. I think I'm going to do that on the doily, but making it red first, and I have some washi tape. Maybe I'm going to do it that way. So that's my plan for day 18. The first thing I'm going to do is paint those letters in the right red color. And how shall I do that? Maybe with some ink or some spray. Do I have the right spray? No, I'm afraid not. I want to have dark red. I think I'm going to use ink. Stazon ink, I think Stazon ink. Valentin or Claret Vin Bordeaux. This one, or where is my Valentine? Oh, I had here Valentin, Saint Valentin. I'm not sure. I'm going to try the color first. That's very dark. It's a very dark color. I like it though. And this is more red. Which one shall I do? I think I'm going to use the dark one. Yeah, I'm going to use the dark one. So, Claret Vin de Bordeaux. You can't see it this way, like so. Yeah. Well, I have to have my tweezer just to hold it. I think I'm just going to do it this way. Not too difficult. Bit grungy. Yeah, I like it that way. Like so. Leave those to dry. Nope. We'll glue the lace on it. I hope. I didn't put the lid on of my needle in the nozzle, and I think it's almost well. I'll be right back. So I had to refill the whole thing, so I did. Now put some glue on here. And this is fabric glue. So the lace should stick on the paper. Hold it for a while. Maybe I should put something on it. Something heavy. I don't have anything heavy. Whoa! Well, that's heavy. Like so. And now I'm gluing the doily on, I think. Yes, let's do that. Will I ink it up? I think I'm going to ink it up with the same. Just a bit along the edges. So, yeah. Well, this should be okay now. Yeah, that sticks. Now I will stick the doily. Like so. And stick the number 18 on the doily. Oops, shall I do it in the center or below? Do it in the center. I think that's okay. Now the 8. Like so. That sticks. Can put that in. And now some washi tape. I think. Shall I? Shall I not? Yes, I want to do something there. I'm not sure what. I think washi tape is a good idea, but maybe it isn't. I could do that. Like so. Yes. Should I do something more? No, I'm not going to do that yet. I'm not sure what to do. Maybe something else. No. Facing that's, well, maybe I like that. Sorry for my old shirt. Oh, it's not straight, honey. Oh, so stupid, so stupid, so stupid. Try very carefully. Yay! That's the difficult part. Gluing things straight. Well, the one is a bit bigger than the 8th. Like so. Well, this is better. Well, I'm going to glue the little reindeer on the page 2, like that, because there is one too. Maybe I should do something with the something. Maybe not. Just trying something. Just giving the little guy a bit ground to stand on. Some glue again. Yeah, I like that more, better. So, I think that's okay for today. I'm going to journal on this little card. That's it. That's day 18. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you tomorrow.